As you can see, the NuSkin 180 face wash clear the iodine, showing that it truly has a lot of vitamin C in it. Hey stars, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tara, and passing it on is my passion. And one of the areas I love to share is skincare. And so, if you guys are interested, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. For today's video, I will be doing a skincare product review on one of my favorites ever. It is the NuSkin 180 face wash. I have been using this since 2017, so I obviously love this product. I'll be sharing with you facts and claims, the details, the application, and an iodine test. An iodine test is to test the amount of vitamin C in the product because this actually claims to have a lot of vitamin C in it. And of course, at the end, my verdict, yay or nay. Well, I already said I love this product, so yay. And in this video, let me tell you why. So if you guys want to know more, stick around because I'm here to pass it on. Cleanse away the signs of environmental aging. NuSkin 180 face wash contains 10% active, efficacious vitamin C, making it one of the most extraordinary anti-aging cleansers available. This level of concentrated vitamin C is a potent tool against multiple signs of aging. In addition to targeting age spots and discoloration, this rich, creamy formula helps support collagen production to diminish wrinkles and firm the skin. Recommended for those who want to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improve their skin tone and texture, and reverse the signs of sun damage. Its key ingredients include vitamin C, a necessary component of collagen production that helps diminish the appearance of lines and wrinkles and firm the skin. Sesame and soybean oils. Rich emollients that prevent moisture loss and help maintain the skin's protective moisture barrier. Grape seed, ginkgo biloba leaf, and ginseng extracts to minimize skin-damaging free radicals. Sensitive skin advisory. May not be appropriate for individuals with sensitive skin. Please test in a small area before applying to the entire face. Application. Place a small amount of cleanser onto fingertips, apply to face and neck, and work into a lather. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Iodine test to determine the amount of vitamin C in a product. Iodine represents free radicals like stress, pollution, and etc. Water represents the skin. Skin is then contaminated. To cleanse the skin, we use the NuSkin 180 face wash. As you can see, the NuSkin 180 face wash clear the iodine, showing that it truly has a lot of vitamin C in it. For my review, let me start with facts and then claims. Facts. This retails at 3,400 pesos and you already get 125 ml depending on how you use this. It would last for about 10 to 12 months. So I would say good deal. And I use this every morning to wash my face. You can purchase this online or through a NuSkin member. For its benefits or its claims or benefits: smoothen lines and wrinkles, promotes a firmer, more youthful complexion, even skin tone by helping reduce dark spots and discoloration, leaves skin feeling clean, fresh, and soft, features a patented waterless formula that delivers 10% active, free-flowing vitamin C to the skin. And now for my feedback, likes and dislikes. Let me start with likes. What I like about this product, or should I say love, is its quality. Obviously, it has a lot of vitamin C in it, and vitamin C is an antioxidant that fights free radicals, skin aging, and all that. And so, good job. And I love that after every use, my skin feels firmer, lighter, and smoother. I mean, I would not be using this for a very long time if it did not work for me. And second thing I like about this product is its availability. It is available online, or again, you can purchase this through a NuSkin member. For the thing that I dislike, well, not really dislike because I already did the computation, is its price. It seems expensive, hello, 3,400 pesos, but if you actually do the computation, let's say 3,400 divided by 365 days, that's for 12 months or 1 year, it would be 9 pesos and 50 centavos per day. So, not bad actually. For me, worth it, so worth it. So it just feels like it is expensive, but it's skincare. It's an investment, actually. Oh, by the way, I just want to clarify something. I mentioned that I have been using this since 2017, right? So there was actually a time, a year, I would say, that I stopped using this because I got curious of using another product. I used 2 cleansers, actually. One was okay, but I wasn't really like blown away by its results, but it was good enough for me because my skin did not react to it. However, the second one, which is a Korean brand, did not work for me. And so I went back to this just this year. And then after a few months, I purchased a Lumispa, and I'm sure you saw my first impression review on it. If you haven't, and if you are interested, I'll just place the card right here. So I've been using the Lumispa in the evening and this in the morning. So that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos. If you have any more questions, please feel free to drop a comment down below. See you in the next one. Bye!